find the nearshore marine forecast for the following.
It's storming. Cool. That was like wicked. Sweet. Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, extreme southwestern Berrien County in southwest Michigan until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 9:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from numerous thunderstorms over the warned area. Train spotters and radar estimates indicate that localized amounts of 2 to 3 inches have already fallen, with additional rainfall amounts between 1 and 3 inches possible in the next 2 to 3 hours. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to New Buffalo, Michiana, Grand Beach, Waterford, Springville, Trail Creek, Potawatomi Park, Michigan City, Michiana Shores, and Long Beach. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Vehicles caught in rising water should be abandoned quickly. Move to higher ground. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in northern Indiana. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: LaPorte County, Indiana, and Berrien County, Michigan. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend.
So I got that one. No, I never gotten the warning tone on that before. Never ever. No, I did. So cool. Oh wait, see if it's on the radio.
Transaction.
Oh, nope, probably not. Guess they don't do flash flood warnings, maybe. There have been some big lightning strikes, actually, kind of. So we got a flash flood warning, huh?
Locations in the warning include but are not limited to New Buffalo, Michiana, Grand Beach, Waterford,
We're in
Springville,
Michiana.
Trail Creek, Potawatomi Park, Michigan City, Michiana Shores, and Long Beach. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Vehicles caught in rising water should be abandoned quickly. Move to higher ground. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in northern Indiana. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: LaPorte County, Indiana, and Berrien County, Michigan. Here are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At South Bend, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 68 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was northwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.10 inches and rising. Around the region, at Benton Harbor, rain was falling with a temperature of 68. At Lafayette, thunder was reported with a temperature of 68. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 75 at Coldwater and 77 at Fort Wayne. It was cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Goshen, 70 at Warsaw, and 72 at Sturgis. Under cloudy skies, Grand Rapids reported 72, Indianapolis reported 73, and Chicago reported 75.
The areas affected include Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph of Michigan route to a mid-lake at 9:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms over eastern Lake Michigan moving south at 15 knots. Along with frequent lightning strikes, these storms are capable of producing wind up to 33 knots. Mariners can expect gusty wind up to 33 knots, locally higher waves, lightning strikes, and heavy downpours. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Intense lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Here is the forecast for South Bend and vicinity.
Flash flood watch in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. Becoming partly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. South wind 5 to 15 miles per hour.
Hey, what the heck?
50%. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday, hot and humid. Partly cloudy. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. West wind.
Alright guys, that
15
was
miles per
part
hour.
4.
Chance of rain
I'm gonna be making
40%.
part 5
Heat
pretty
index
soon.
readings
Bye.
96 to